Okay, Toyota Vellfire 2012 version. Okay, installed for Convex 9-inch Android Master OEM DVD player. Okay. Original reverse camera. And installed for the front camera. So this is Convex night vision front camera. Okay, this player is built in for the auto front camera function. Okay, Convex 9-inch. So this is OEM casing, so which is good fitting. Good fitting, and socket include plug and play, Bluetooth. So you have to pairing with your phone. After that, you can click for the A2DP for Bluetooth music. So Android 7.1.2, 2 GB RAM, 16 gig storage. Okay, 3 USB slot, 3 USB extension. Okay, SD card slot, a DVD slot, reset button, and the mic in. Okay, Android player, you have to go to setting, turn on Wi-Fi, connect for your phone hotspot for internet. So amplifier equalizer adjust. This is reverse. This is original reverse camera. Okay. So auto front camera. This is Convex night vision camera. Okay, and the styling control. Front camera. Okay, this is Convex 9-inch OEM GPS DVD player, Android Master for Toyota Vellfire, Toyota Alphard 2012 with OEM casing and OEM socket plug and play. Installed by 1BIS. Thank you.